And now the news in detail. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Rosetta M. Kurba, today administered the oath to 29 newly elected MDCs in a ceremony held at KHDC. UDP MDC Tito Starwell Kine from Sora took the oath in Khasi, while the rest of the MDCs took it in English. Among the newly elected members, 4 women MDCs were sworn in, including Grace Mary Karpuri and Rona Kimdek from NPP and Deity Majau and Iban Duplin and Longlight from VPP. Additionally, 3 MLAs, Sinshar Roy Kupar Lingdo, Pius Marwain and Sostenus Sotun were also sworn in as the newly elected members. Notably, all of the 17 VPP MDCs are first-time members of the District Council.
Tito Starwell Khan.
Being elected as
I, Deity H. Majau,
solemnly affirm that